Silver continues to rally. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm, offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The silver market has rallied a bit during the course of the early hours on Thursday, breaking above the recent swing high. The question now is whether or not we can hang on to these gains, because we are a bit stretched, and it's obvious that there is a lot of noise here. All things being equal, I do think this is a market that, given enough time, will break out to the upside and continue going much higher. But short-term pullbacks are most certainly likely at this extreme high. We have seen a lot of volatility in the early hours, and of course, silver, by its very nature, is much more volatile than gold and most other markets, so this is not a huge surprise. On a pullback, I think there will be plenty of buyers out there willing to get involved, and the $30 level now sets up as an interesting floor in the market as the 50-day EMA is racing towards that psychologically significant figure. On the other hand, if we can close to a fresh new high, then it's likely that silver continues to rally rather significantly and takes off for perhaps a move all the way up to the $50 level before it's all said and done. Keep in mind that the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates by 50 basis points has people looking for hard assets, and of course silver thrives in that environment. Furthermore, we also have the idea that it's a bit of a knock-on effect from gold as central banks around the world continue to hoard the yellow metal. It tends to be felt in the silver markets as well. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.